Basic input-output statements. The basic input-output functions are getChar, putChar, gets, puts, scanf, and printf. The first two functions, getChar and putChar, are used to transfer single characters. The next function, gets and puts, are used to input and output strings. The last two functions, scanf and printf, permit the transfer of single characters, numerical values, and strings. getChar function. getChar open close bracket function is used to read one character at a time from the keyboard. Syntax: ch is equal to getChar open close bracket semicolon, where ch is a character variable. When this function is executed, the computer will wait for a key to be pressed and assigns the value to the variable when the enter key pressed. putChar function. putChar open close bracket function is used to display one character at a time on the monitor. The computer displays the value char of variable open quote ch close quote, that is capital M, on the screen. Gets open close bracket function. Gets open close bracket function is used to read a string of characters including white spaces. Note that white spaces in a string cannot be read using scanf open close bracket with %s format specifier. When the function is executed, the computer waits for the string to be entered. Puts open close bracket function. Puts open close bracket is a function used to display strings on screen. Output: welcome to Wikipedia. Scanf open close bracket. Just as most programs need to output data to the screen, they also need to input data from the keyboard. The most flexible way the program can read numeric data from the keyboard is by using the scanf open close bracket library function. The scanf open close bracket function reads data from the keyboard according to a specified format and assigns the input data to one or more program variables. For example, the statement reads a decimal integer from the keyboard and assigns it to the integer variable. The percentage indicates that the conversion specification. The D represents the data type and indicates that the number should be read as an integer. The AND is C unary operator that gets the memory address of the variable following it. The user will read more about this operator and its associated operator asterisk in the section Pointers in the course. Likewise, the following statement reads a floating point value from the keyboard and assigns it to the variable rate. The F represents the data type and indicates that the number should be read as a float. Printf open close bracket. The printf open close bracket function, part of the standard C library, is perhaps the most versatile way for a program to display data on screen. Printing a text message on screen is simple. Call the printf open close bracket function, passing the desired message enclosed in double quotation marks. For example, to display an error that has occurred on screen in addition to text messages. However, he frequently needs to display the value of program variables. This is a little more complicated than displaying only a message. It accepts a string parameter called the format string, which specifies a method for rendering a number of other parameters, of which there typically may be arbitrarily many of a variety of types, into a string. For example, suppose the users want to display the value of the numeric variable x on screen along with some identifying text. The resulting screen display, assuming that the value of x is 12, would display the following. The value of x is 12. In this example, two arguments are passed to printf open close bracket. The first argument is enclosed in double quotation marks and is called the format string. The second argument is the name of the variable x containing the value to be printed.